Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Okay, continuing on with our constructions, we're now at 17, so 17A and 17B. So 17A says the incenter of a given triangle using only a straight edge and a compass. 17B then is the incircle of a given triangle using only the straight edge and compass. Okay, so just like I did with 16, which is the circle, I'm just going to pull up the book. I'm going to show you what we are striving to get to. Okay, so this was our circle that went through the vertices or the corners of the triangle. For the incircle, you're going to again be given a triangle, but your circle should sit right inside that triangle, fully inside it. And the center of your incircle is called an incenter. And to get the incircle, you bisect the angles of your triangle. This is different to the circumcircle where we bisected the lines. Okay, so incircle, inside the triangle, its center is called the incenter, and we bisect the angles. So let's do that now, and let's see how well it works out. Okay, so construct the incenter of the triangle below. So we need to bisect the angles. Okay, and of course, just like we did with the circle, it doesn't matter which of the three angles we bisect. We'll have to do 2 out of the 3 to get it to work. Okay, so let's do this one here. So this, if you need a refresher, would have been construction 1 that we did. So there'll be a video on it, how to bisect an angle. Okay, so our compass went into the corner. We drew an arc like that. That became a platform for us to create a kiss in the middle. Okay, our crosshairs. The idea being that if we go through the angle, through the crosshairs, it will perfectly bisect, which means cut in half, that angle. Okay, so through the angle, through the crosshairs. Okay, now let's bisect another angle. So I'm going to bisect this one up here. It's quite a narrow angle. Did you know what? I'm going to bisect this one down here, I think, because it's a little bit bigger, so it might be easier. So the same idea again. Okay, so again, you just be careful you don't get confused with all the construction lines. Okay, so there's my platform. I'm going to make my compass a little bit bigger here so that my kiss or my crosshairs ends up out here so I don't get confused. Okay, a little bit bigger, so let's create one up here. I'm not happy with that one now. I don't think it's accurate enough. Let me come back here to the corner of where this platform crosses with the triangle. Okay, and then to the other side of the platform again. Okay, so I need to go back and extend this line. Okay, so now I have my crosshairs up here. So through this angle now. Okay, so that's that angle bisected. And if I had bisected this angle, it would also cross at this point here. This is the critical point of my construction. Can you see that dot here? I'll lift it up a little bit so it might be easier to see. This point here. So this is what we call the end center of my circle. Okay? Just right there. And like I said, if I had bisected this angle, you'll find that this line will also go through this point. But you only ever need to do 2 to find the incenter. So what we do then is we get your triangle and we drop a perpendicular. So in other words, I'm going to put to one side. I'm going to put the bottom of my triangle flush with the triangle. See that? It's right in line with the triangle. Move it across. And what I'm doing is from that in center, I'm drawing a line down, and that will become the radius of my in circle. Okay, so drop that line down there. Okay, so the triangle's flush with the bottom. I'm using the triangle because it's got a natural 90-degree angle on it, and I've dropped a radius from the center down to the bottom. Okay, and that is the radius of my circle. So I'm now measuring that radius of my circle. I just need my pen for a little bit longer, it's a bit short. Okay, a little bit longer, just to there. Okay, so that's the radius now of my circle. I put my compass into that and I spin a circle around, and it should sit perfectly inside this triangle. Okay, which it almost does. It's a little bit out on this side here, but it's very, very close. Okay, so let's label. He is your in center. I spell it R-E, but it doesn't matter. And he is my in circle. Okay, be careful that they can see all these construction marks, especially the radius one. That's an easy one to forget. And that's how you do the in center or the in circle of a triangle.